Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description. To get started on replacing the motor of your Dyson SV14, you'll need a few essential tools: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Start by unplugging the vacuum and removing the dustbin for easier access. 1. Remove the main body. Using your T15 Torx screwdriver, unscrew the 3 screws located on the back of the vacuum's main body. Keep these screws stored safely, as you'll need them later. 2. Detach the motor cover. After removing the screws, gently pry off the motor cover using a flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any clips during this process. 3. Isolate the motor. Once you've exposed the motor, you'll notice 2 additional screws securing it in place. Remove these using your T15 tool. 4. Cleaning process. Before you disconnect the motor, take a moment to clean any accumulated dust or debris. Use a cloth with isopropyl alcohol to wipe down the area inside the vacuum. This ensures optimal performance once your new motor is installed. 5. Disconnect the motor. Gently pull the motor free from the housing. Make sure to check for any wiring that may still be connected. If you find any, carefully disconnect them. 6. Replace with a new motor. Now, take your new motor and connect any wiring first. Place it back in its designated spot, ensuring it fits snugly in the housing. 7. Re-secure the motor. Using the 2 screws you previously removed, secure the motor in place tightly, but be careful not to over-tighten. 8. Reattach the motor cover. Align the motor cover back onto the body, ensuring all clips are secure. Then use the T15 Torx screwdriver to replace the 3 screws on the back of the vacuum. 9. Final checks. Before you plug the vacuum back in, give it one last cleaning and double check that all screws and covers are secure. If at this stage you feel uncertain or lack the required tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transportation. Additionally, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you're well informed about any issues. 10. Test the vacuum. After reassembly, plug in your Dyson SV14 and test it out. Make sure everything is operating smoothly without any unusual noises. For those who prefer to leave repairs to the professionals, we also offer a quote before repair, so you'll know the costs up front. No calls, no travel, just convenience and efficiency right at your doorstep. Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description.